Hello guys, this is your friend Vivek Bajaj, co-founder of StockEdge. I'm very happy, very excited because today we have launched yet another version of StockEdge which is meant to empower you, your family. What a beautiful version. What lovely value additions we have given this time. And I'm telling you, if you are not looking at StockEdge as your edge of market and you are still getting controlled by someone else, please don't do that. The new version of StockEdge, and as every time when we launch a new version, there is something which will give you more edge to your market participation. So let's talk about the new version. What are the things in that new version? So let me go here, what's new, and let's start evaluating this. Number one, we have launched index analytics. I think this is one output which is not there anywhere. And it's such a beautiful output. It helps you to know what is happening with financials of Indian corporates. Nifty 50 stocks. This is the total sales. This is the quarter result where sales were down in this quarter. This is year-on-year result. So the Nifty 50 stocks have only grown by 5.9% sales year-on-year. The same thing I can see from an EBITDA perspective, 23% margin, 1.9% growth only EBITDA, 11% growth. I mean, the reason why market was up and the reason why market goes down is these fundamental reasons. And PAT, this we can see from different indices. All these indices are exchange indices, and you can clearly see financially how these indices are performing from a business perspective. Okay, now what's the beauty of this? Let's go to Nifty 50 inside. See the graph. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is the PAT growth. This is quarter-on-quarter growth. So actually, vis-a-vis previous quarter, the growth was down. The same thing happened in last year also. So it's okay. It's still we have performed better. And year-on-year, this is year-on-year. So our year-on-year growth is quite good. And look at the margin. India has been maintaining a margin of 12.5%. This is EBITDA margin, a PAT margin. And if I look at the EBITDA margin, it's around 23% EBITDA margin. Look at the presentation. It's just amazing, isn't it? Now, if I want to go deeper inside this, so let me close the graph and let's go inside Nifty now. Now I'm interested in knowing which are the companies which are actually out of this indices are generating better result. So let's go to sales first and see which is generating better results. So Reliance, no, I mean 5.9%, and here we are. Okay. Oh wow, what is this? What is this company? Bharti Airtel. Look at the results. Beautiful sales growth. Okay, on a year-on-year basis. That's why Bharti stock price has been going up, right? Let's see the other one. Here we are. ICICI Bank. Good. So all the stocks where performance is better than Nifty, obviously they will have high propensity of stock price continuing to remain strong. So I think this is amazing. I have not seen any application or tool which is showing this data in such a crisp form. Also shareholding. This is very interesting data. Look at Nifty 50 stocks. A promoter holds 40%, FI holds 23%, DI holds 24%, okay? And if I see broader market, promoter holds 49%, Nifty 500, FI holds 18%. This gives an idea whether promoters is increasing stake or FIs are increasing stake or DIs are increasing stake. Good presentation. Let's go to number two, which is sector rotation and momentum score. You know, we have this unique momentum score by StockEdge, which is a proprietary momentum score we launched a couple of months ago, and it's doing phenomenal. I mean, people who have been following this, they are loving it. Now we want to extend that to sector level, industry level. So we have done the hard work of calculating momentum score for a particular sector or industry. Now look at this. Mining, all three green, okay? Automobile ancillary, all three green. So there will be a natural tendency from your side to only focus on those sectors where momentum score is positive in all three. So maybe mining, I'm positive. Look at this, all three green. And this, if I do stock wise, wow, which are the stocks? Coal India, NMDC, Kiosil, Gujarat Mineral, all these are green. So if I'm a momentum investor, I would love to participate in this stock because the sector is supporting, the industry is supporting, and the stock is also supporting. In fact, what we have done is, if you go into that main page of that stock, look at this. What a beautiful presentation. Green, 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 green. So yes, this should be part of my buying. So suppose someone tomorrow tells you that buy this stock. Don't just listen to that person. Yes, we will listen to the stock, but we will search here that stock. We'll go to this page of price and see if all green, I'm okay. If not green, I'm not okay because there's something wrong and I can't trust anyone else with my money, isn't it? Now, if I look at the chart of NMDC, oh, this is beautiful. Look at this chart. I think this is like a dream chart. So there's no harm in building a chotu position in this stock because the sector is also supporting with the stock. No recommendation, just giving you an understanding of how the data-driven decision making works. Okay, let's go to number 3. Enhancement in market breadth. Now, just like sector rotation, we have this sector breadth, right? So we have added indices breadth. So Nifty 50, all 3 yellow. Nifty 500, all 3 yellow. Nifty mid cap select, all 3 green. Now, what do you do with this? Let me go inside. Okay. What does yellow means? Yellow means that market is in a neutral zone. There is no trend right now in the market. So 24,600 on 13th of August, all yellow, and 25,000 right now, all yellow. So where is the trend? There is no trend. Use this for position sizing. If there is green, all 3, increase your positions. If it is all red, reduce your position. If it is neutral, don't trade with lot of capital. It's always better to park your capital in liquid fund or somewhere else so that you do not get into over trading. Okay. Use Nifty 50, Nifty 500. Good news is that mid cap select has already given us green. That means there is a signal that market is getting ready for a big bull market. But till this is green, I am not going to put a lot of money in market because there is still a risk associated in the market. So this is broader market breadth now redefined. Then let's go to insider. I think StockEdge is used by a lot of people for insider data. I mean, there's a deal section in StockEdge. So how do you get that? Just go to market here and open this, expand this, and there is a deal section here. Fantastic. And there's something called insider deal. Now, what we have added recently is this. We have added a category of deal called promoter, key, KMP, etc. Let me just clear this and show you. I've added this category. So all insider category, let me restrict to promoter and KMP and apply. Now look at the data. I mean, these are the stocks where promoter is buying, key management person is buying. So there is a potential that these stocks can actually or selling, whatever the case may be. If I'm interested in buying, no problem. If I'm interested in buying, I can just restrict myself to only bought and apply. Okay, let's see. Software, this is the promoter, bought. This is a promoter, bought. Okay. Wow, look at this. These are the promoters who have bought Pasalo Digital. Oh, interesting. Let's go inside and let's go inside the stock and see. Let me go to the price and see, is this green? Is this green? This is green. This is still yellow. At least it's yellow. It's not red. Good. Now let us look at the stock price chart and see Pasalo. There is a breakout from here. Good. There's a consolidation happening. Good. If you like this kind of a stock, it's a good opportunity to buy because even the promoter has bought some stake in the company. Okay. Let's go back to our previous discussion, which is what's new. And finally, we have enhanced our news section. And if you start using StockEdge News, you will stop visiting any other app in India because it's so crisp, so focused. I mean, we have been giving one-liner news, but all of you said that, sir, we need more elaboration of all the news. No problem. Now we have a comprehensive news where all company, market, economy, clear-cut classification. If you click any news, now you give a description, you get a description, which is much more conducive for you to read in detail. So stop going to any other app which is creating havoc in your life. I think what we have done in StockEdge is a real edge which we have given to you, and it's your choice whether you want to get controlled by someone or you want to create an edge for yourself and your family. So StockEdge version 13.3 is live in Android. Apple, it will be live soon. web.stockedge.com. Anyways, it is live. Upgrade, start using it. Still not tried StockEdge? What are you doing? We are neutral platform. We are not brokers. We don't make money from your brokerage. We are not media platform. We don't make money by giving you noise. We are a neutral platform who work only for you. And if you don't support us, we don't grow. So subscribe to StockEdge, subscribe to StockEdge Pro, subscribe to StockEdge Club, become part of this amazing family of serious market participants, and let the world know that you are serious about your money. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And thanks for becoming part of my family. Bye-bye. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.